easily feeling tired, on and off headache, or body ache. These are symptoms your body cells are suffering from nutrient insufficiency and cell injury. We know that a healthy diet can help maintain long-term health. Despite knowing that, we still do not eat healthily. When we are sick and suffering from chronic diseases, we blame genes, germs, or the aging process rather than the way we live our lives. In reality, our choices destroy our health by causing cellular malfunction, the common denominator of all chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, heart disease, stroke, arthritis, and depression. Cellular malfunction, also known as malfunctioning cells, has only two root causes: nutrient insufficiency and cell injury. Nutrient insufficiency means cells are not getting enough of what they need to function properly. Insufficient nutrients in our body, even one nutrient, can be detrimental as it can lead to cellular malfunction, resulting in multiple health conditions ranging from tiredness to severe chronic diseases. Cell injury means cells are damaged by free radicals and unable to repair themselves. Due to the modern-day lifestyle, excessive free radicals are produced in our bodies, from pollution, cigarette smoke, UV ray, pesticides, stress, and unhealthy diets. When free radicals outnumber antioxidants, it can lead to a state called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress causes injury to the cells, leading to cellular malfunction, subsequently giving rise to multiple chronic diseases. You may not be eating enough vitamins, minerals, as well as a full color spectrum of phytonutrients as part of your daily diet, which is why you need health supplements to safeguard your cells from nutrient insufficiency and cell injury to maintain long-term health. Introducing the Wellness Essentials Premium Pack. Nover formulated the Wellness Essentials Premium Pack based on the latest science to help you effortlessly achieve your 24 essential vitamins and minerals plus 12 phytonutrients from full color spectrum every single day. These nutrients are vital to support the health and longevity of your cells by ensuring optimal cell nourishment and protection. The Wellness Essentials Premium Pack consists of 4 core supplements. LifeFit Gold, a complete multivitamin and multi-mineral formula with an effective amount of 24 vitamins and minerals to ensure cells function at their best. Buffered Roselle Vitamin C, a unique vitamin C formula with sustained release technology and phytonutrients that can provide stronger protection for up to 12 hours for the water-soluble components of cells. Natura-E 400 IU, a vitamin E formula with Actisoft technology to enhance the vitamin E absorption into cells by 3 times for optimal injury protection to the lipid-soluble components of cells. Phyto 9, a complete 5 colors of phytonutrients extracted from 9 types of vegetables and fruits to remove any free radicals left undetected in the water and lipid-soluble components of cells. Each tablet is equivalent to at least 10 servings of various colorful fruits and vegetables. To summarize, LifeFit Gold prevents nutrient insufficiency and maintains optimal cell function by filling the nutritional gap lacking in modern diets. Buffered Roselle Vitamin C, Natura-E and Phyto 9 work together to strengthen your antioxidant protection, protecting all your cells from injuries caused by oxidative stress. So to ensure you and your cells get all the right nutrients and protection it needs, start by taking 1 tablet or soft gel of each of the 4 core supplements once daily. Wellness Essentials Premium Pack. Scientifically formulated with a complete range of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients to build your foundation of good health at the cellular level. Suitable for every healthy adult who wants to achieve a longer health span, struggles to eat a balanced and healthy diet, fails to eat at least 5 servings of colorful vegetables and fruits daily, or has chronic diseases. Get it now from your friendly pharmacies or shop.nover.my.